I've lived out here all my life, sort of thing. I'm 65. The barn was built in, I got a little thing in the barn, in the garage there, Quonset sort of thing, and it says 1916. Now, they say with stories and stuff that they came in 14. The barn is actually twice the length out with horses and stuff. And Grandpa and Grandma, I don't know how many kids they raised, but they stayed in the east end of that barn sort of thing until they built a house over here. I was surprised it took as much to take it down as it did. I was scared it was going to fall down and hurt somebody. So no, you guys come out and do a good job, sort of thing, and not a problem at all.